In today's world, integration is not an easy job to do. It is not a one-time development process, it is a continuous adjustment. Your API might change, your logic which runs your business might change. Your data might also not be perfect always, and the list goes on. The problem becomes more evident if your integration involves SaaS applications, applications like Shopify, BigCommerce, Amazon, which are software as a service platforms, often make changes to their application, which means your integration would suddenly become obsolete. If we talk about Shopify, it had just announced recently that they are going to take their next big leap by deprecating their admin API to GraphQL. Though the GraphQL is not new to Shopify, it was announced way back in 2019. It meant a considerable number of upgrades already. GraphQL has a number of inherent benefits, like you can join two objects together using joins, which is not possible with REST. It can do bulk operations. It can allow you to specify attributes which you need to consume, etc. Starting from October 1st, 2024, Shopify has announced the REST admin API is considered as a legacy. It will still work until April 2025, when some of the APIs like products or variants will be deprecated first. Later new updates will eventually come and the other APIs will terminate again. The plan is to phase out all the REST APIs by 2026. But does that mean converting your integration to GraphQL will solve all your problems for future? Not really. API versioning will still be there. Shopify can release any version inside GraphQL stack and ask you to use the new version from a particular date. I say this because we have seen this evaluation of endpoints from the very beginning of its inception with the REST API. You require continuous servicing of your API endpoints. You need to track any changes and ask your developers to readjust the integration such that the businesses do not break. Your developers need to be smart enough to know what changes they need to do and what are the logic in place, etc. Now, Shopify gives a very short notice through emails, and you never know, it might collide with your vacation plans. So, what would be the solution? You need a group of experienced developers who can help you relax on these changing needs. APPSeCONNECT handles hundreds of integrations in real-world businesses and is experienced in doing such changes day in and out. Our team builds packages which are tested in all scenarios and released in our marketplace. So you can pick those packages which fixes all the changes of APIs automatically. The platform gives you tools and features to make any changes faster. It gives you an unified user interface where if the protocol changes like REST or GraphQL, your integration remains constant. Hence, even though you made a lot of customizations in your integration, you still move to newer versions and APIs quickly. Finally, your maintenance will be easier because you will be proactively notified through emails and even IM when there are errors in your sync. So get ready and explore the new integration with APPSeCONNECT.